Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, and you are watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. I just noticed that I have our sign here, so I might as well bring it onto camera so that you all can see it and jot it down and focus and act now. I just saw it sitting there. Figured might as well do a commercial. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider the directions that you are not considering um, throughout your form or in some places in your form. So if I'm facing, in my case, north, it's very easy to face north, think about north, consider north. And maybe that includes northeast and northwest, sort of like a breadth of the northerliness. But I also might be considering, uh, my southwest, right, or my southwest, because the move I'm doing here is to draw the person over here. So that's fine. But it's much harder for me to consider my right rear. So today's Tàijíquán tip is when your right foot is forward, bring your awareness to the right rear. I guess I'll get my feet in the camera. When your left foot's forward, bring your awareness to the left rear, right? The sort of blind part of your stance. And that doesn't mean to turn your head, although it might, but it's to listen, it's to feel, it's to sense, to tune into more than the field that your face faces. But we're going for 360, but the emphasis here is on that kind of blind direction. Left foot forward, my left rear, right foot forward, my right rear. Now, in my case, I'm facing west and I have my right foot forward. So if I was in a posture that turns me across my right foot, so I'm almost north, then I might really be focusing on the southeast, which is what's most behind me, because the northeast is actually fairly easy to pay attention to if I'm in a twisted stance, for example. So find the blind spots and tune into them and listen, not just with your ears, but with whatever you've got. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.